diplomas, but as individuals ready to make a meaningful impact on the world. To our teachers, thank you for teaching us. Your teaching guide us to reach this moment. And also to our advisor, Ma'am Mary Chris A. Sampelo, thank you, Ma'am, for your guidance, wisdom, and unwavering support. You are one of the reasons that we reach this achievement. To our families and friends, your encouragement and love have been the backbone of our success. As we celebrate this milestone, let us also look forward with hope and excitement for the future. May we carry the lessons learned here with us, and may our future endeavors be marked by success, fulfillment, and joy. Congratulations, Grade 12 Jacinto. Welcome to our 5th graduation ceremony. Thank you.
Good morning. Sobra pagkasulit mo. Ito siya muna matang nag-misa ito lang. Is paano niya? Sa kino ng ulang dili, manimog kay tanaw lang siya. Ito lang ko sa ko, ma'am, Adjing ha. Kaya i-istakan na natin pinahanglan ko na ang graduation sulit. Kamu na orang nagatubang ang pinangunay pastor rin. Problema na rin kahit at kumain suwat. Patay rin. Kung siguro bata ka sa ulo lang. Ano yung bibigyan na sa katong sa libro ng kitang bura? Why ka? Ha? Again, good morning. Buong puso ko pong binabati ang aking mga mag-aral na magsisipag tapos ngayon sa senior high school ng isang maligayang pagtatapos. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Alam ko marami kayong pinagdaanan bago ninyo marating ang araw ito. Hindi mabilang ng gabi ng pagsusulong ng kilay, mahabang panahon ng tinugol sa pag-aaral, pagsusulikap na pumasa at matapos ang lahat ng aralin upang makapagmarsa sa araw na ito. Pusong-pusongin ang mga mga ito. Kanang matanumong ng gawas. Saludo ako sa tibay ng puso at takas na binuhos ninyo para tapos na siya rin magbubukas ng bagong kakataon para lang mapagtibay ang inyong hinarap. Batid ko na hindi madaling abutin ang aking mga pangarap. Dagdag pa rito ang mga kailangan ikonsidera tulad ng pinansyal na pangailangan para lamang makapag-aral. Ngunit naniniwala ako na ang pagbabago at kinabukasan ng ating bayan ay nasa kamay ninyo. Lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang pangarap, mga nais patunayan sa sarili, at nagdiin maging makabuluhang mamamayan. Lagi ninyo tandaan ang inyong pagsusumikap para maging mabuting mamamayan, maging pakinabang at kahanga-hanga ay malaking bagay para sa ating komunidad. Fostering environment produce the pursuit. May our collaborative efforts persist in nurturing a more inclusive educational future. Kami mula sa tanggapan ng pangalawang Pangulo at Kagawaran ng Edukasyon ay walang sawang susuporta at alalay para matupad ninyo ang inyong mga pangarap. Nais namin mapagbigay ng maayos na edukasyon sa lahat at humubog sa puso at isipan ng mga mag-aral para pagtibayin ang pagmamahal sa sariling bayan. Gusto namin iparating ang mga programa ng DepEd at OBP sa lahat ng mga kabataan, anuman ang estado o sitwasyon sa buhay. At may isa sa katuparan ng mga ito sa ating pagkakaisa at pagtutunan. Ubalin ninyo kami kung magdungan ka sa pagtapot sa atong pangandoy na usa ka malangbuon nga nasod Pilipinas. Mga kababayan, patuloy po tayong maging matatag tungo sa pagtabuyod ng isang bansang makabata at mga batang makabansa. Ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan at sa pamilyang Pilipino. Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President of the Philippines, Secretary of Education.
Congratulations to the graduates of Senior High School Class of 2024. Today, as you begin a new chapter in your lives, remember the hard work and perseverance you have invested in completing your basic education. Finishing senior high school is a huge step towards your future, and I am truly proud of you all. You have completed your basic education amid colossal challenges and remain resolute in achieving your dreams. Your resilience as Filipino learners has been extraordinary. As we celebrate your great achievements, I am filled with pride and hope about the bright future that awaits each of you. You have not only proven your determination, skills, and talents, but also exemplified character and resilience, providing hope and inspiration for the Filipino people. The theme Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas underscores the significant role of education in molding the Filipino learners as builders of progressive nation. As Regional Director, I personally witnessed your commitment, tenacity, and enthusiasm in pursuing your dreams. Now, continue your journey to a better tomorrow and use your knowledge and abilities as a weapon and shield against life's hardships. Your journey does not end here. The road to success has both opportunities and challenges that awaits you. Hold on to your dreams and let it serve as your guide in winning the hurdles in life. Always remember that you are a Filipino learner, resilient and strong in character, molded by an education system that is responsive and adaptive to the challenges of times. As you go forth into the world, carry with you the values of integrity, faith, excellence, respect for others, and patriotism. Be ambassadors of positive change, inclusivity, and progress. To the teachers, I congratulate you on a job well done. Thank you for your dedication and passion to teach the Filipino youth. To the parents, your role has been instrumental in the fulfillment of your children's dreams. You have not only helped them achieve their dreams, but also the nation's aspiration of creating a bagong Pilipinas. With great pride, I celebrate with you all for this milestone in your lives, your graduation. I am certain that you will go out into the world with confidence in your abilities to contribute to nation building. Together, let us work towards building a matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Congratulations and mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino. A message from Evelyn R. Pitalbero, CESO 4 Regional Director.
Good morning. My warmest congratulations on your graduation. This significant milestone is a testament of your hard work, patience, and dedication for intellectual growth to bravely face the uncertain future. Graduation is both an end and the beginning. It signifies the closing of one chapter filled with happy learning and memorable experiences and friendships. This year's graduation theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas, highlights the pivotal role of quality education in honing the Filipino youth to be competitive and future-ready. As you take on your new transition from the academic world, carry with you the knowledge, skills, and wisdom to navigate the complexities and the challenges ahead. Know that you are surrounded by a community of family, friends, and mentors who believes in you and are willing to support you. Cherish these relationships and continue to cultivate them as you move forward. May you passionately retain the conviction that your existence have a purpose and a goal to achieve to help build a strong republic. To the successful graduates of Batch 2024, continue to dream big and grab every opportunity that would come along. I challenge you to not only give your best, but to win in life by making your dreams come true. Always have that deep-rooted faith of genuine love and concern for the well-being of others, with the guidance and blessings of our Divine Almighty. With much pride and joy, congratulations and my best wishes for your continued success in all your future endeavors. These are the words of Josephine S. Solana, Schools Division Superintendent.
Congratulations, senior high school graduates of school year 2023-2024. To the graduates, class of 2024, I'm glad you were able to make it through. It was never easy, but you dare not give up. Cherish all your accomplishments and all your experiences. You have earned them. So lucky to have known you, even if only for a short while. Thank you for making us part of your lives. We will miss you. Congratulations and God bless. Message from Miss Mabel L. Verano, District in Charge.
With the end of 2023-2024 school year, I feel particularly grateful and glad. And I am proud of all of you who completed this academic year successfully. Sincere appreciation goes out to our teachers, stakeholders, and most of all, to the parents and families who have guided you along the way. And special thoughts go out to all the students who graduate from Katipunan National High School and will commence an exciting new journey. Let me take this opportunity to leave you with my thoughts that I hope will serve and inspire you as you prepare for your future. Someone once said to me, "Try if you fail, but never fail to try." And this is the difference between a dreamer and a doer. To do means not just dreaming, but trying to find ways to make your dreams happen. Never be discouraged if things do not work out the way you planned. You need to pick yourself up and try a different approach. You have to look at a different angle. We are often weighed down by the pre-existing beliefs and we gravitate toward the safety of doing things the same way so as not to risk failing. We often stick with things we know, believe, or like. But if you don't try, you will never know if you can achieve a better outcome or result. Congratulations to you for all that you have achieved this year. I look forward to hearing about your continued success. I wish you all the best in your next endeavor. Yours truly. To our confirming officer, Mr. Elmer I. Luquinte, Principal 1 of Silago National Vocational High School, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of Katipunan National High School for the school year 2023-2024, of whom 26 are males and 10 are females. A total of 36 grade 12 graduating students. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the senior high school level of the secondary education of the K-12 curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. May I request you to confirm their graduation, sir?
By the authority delegated to me by the Secretary of Education, me as the highest ranking official of the ceremony, hereby confirm the graduation of these 26 males and 10 females, a total of 36 who have satisfactorily completed the basic secondary education of this institution school year 2023-2024. As such, they are given their diploma or certificate. Congratulations.
Now let's proceed to the distribution of diplomas and awarding of honors and special awards. Alias CJ Sumalino from Tinubunan, Abuyo, Leyte. Alias Ian Peligro from Mahayahay, Abuyo, Leyte. Meldad Roel Alas from Tinubulan, Abuyo, Leyte. Doreen Hervin Saluman from Old Taligi, Abuyo, Leyte. Hawawatan Alvin Alas, from Pinupulan, Abuyo, Leyte. Dada Archer, from Pinamanagan, Abuyo, Leyte. Enrica Bon Samalino, from Pinupulan, Abuyo, Leyte. Dato Angel Joy Alas, from Imelda, Silao, Southern Leyte. Gunay Marty Hans Bumi, from Katmon, Silao, Southern Leyte. Hinampas Albert Audrey Costin Herbolingo, with honors, from Imelda, Silao, Southern Leyte. Humamoy Ronnie Fernandez, from Katipunan, Silao, Southern Leyte. Livy Gilbert Jr. Juarez, with honors, from Katipunan, Silao, Southern Leyte. Josero J. Mar Paki, from Katmon, Silao, Southern Leyte. Nambaka Cyrus Ando, from Katipunan, Silao, Southern Leyte. Manabik Kenneth Valerio, from Imelda, Silao, Southern Leyte. Masin Mark Kevin Lopez, from Imelda, Silao, Southern Leyte. Nino Thomas Eugene Cordera, from Katipunan, Silao, Southern Leyte. Paidas Daniel Beroo, with honors from All Paligi Abuyo Leyte. Rias Justin Intriga, from Katipunan, Silagon, Southern Leyte. Sergio Alban Rui Calano, from Pinamanagan, Abuyo Leyte. Somalino Gil, from Katipunan, Silagos, Southern Leyte. Somalino Jessica Nicola, from Pinamalaban, Abuyo Leyte.